Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good wherever you're watching me from. So I don't pot to like I have potted, given the situation of inflation of food items in Nigeria, where tomato has become a visa lottery. I have potted to Banga stews. Oh yes, Banga stews, pawpaw stews, and all what have even carrot. But carrot is also expensive right now. I have a recipe for that on my channel in case you would want to check it out. Okay, so yeah, this whole thing here is 1,005. It's just one Derica tomato cup, 1,005, and I got something that gave me one pot of stew, one pot of banga rice, jollof rice, and then another one for soup. So yeah, this is me trying to show you how you can extract the palm fruit juice, okay? And then if you have a very big freezer, you can buy more and store it up. I don't have a very big freezer. I would have bought more. Yeah, my fridge is just a two-in-one fridge. The up is the freezer, so it's not very spacious. So yeah, that is why I'm making this quantity. But if you have, why don't you just do it and save yourself this stress of tomato this, tomato that, until things normalizes again. Okay, so yeah, I just washed the whole thing, got it cooked, and this is me pounding. Yes, just chill. The very part that you have to be very careful while doing is coming, okay? If you have watched till this end, please take just a few seconds and hit on the thumbs up icon to like this video. Kindly comment and share. Tell me in the comment section if you have been cooking banga stew, or if you know how to cook it, if you like it, or if you would be trying this out. Okay, now this is it, already pounded so very well and still steaming hot. You have to do it while it is still hot so that the oil and the molten part of it will be able to come out very well. If you do it cold, you won't get the best result. Okay, now this is the cocoa. You have to do this and make sure that your extract is thick. Don't get a watery extract. If it's watery, then you misfired. So you just add a little water, then squeeze everything, and then begin to remove the chaff from the seed. Like the chaff, that's what I'm doing. What I'm doing right now, I'm taking off the chaff. If you want to take everything out at the same time, like wash everything and remove both the chaff and the seed at the same time, you would get your extract very watery because you will be deceived. You won't know when you will have added much water than needed. So I had already removed the chaff as much as I could. The seed, the few that is still attached to the seed is just very little, that I know that as I'm adding water, I'm seeing everything that I'm doing. I know when it is too much or not. So now this is the chaff. I still poured water to be able to extract the remaining juice, yes, in it. And this is it. You could see that this very water now is a bit watery, or is watery, but not too watery though. Then after that, I squeeze it. You could see that the water coming out from it is not too thick anymore, meaning that the juice is already off from it. Whatever that would be remaining is immaterial and will not be needed, right? That is not what would what will give us full pots of the extracts. Okay, so now I'm done. This is the water. You see that that one is a bit watery. I now added it to the seed and what I already have in the pot. Now it is very easy for me to deal with the seed. So I began to remove the seed portion by portion. If you over add, you will not know when you're pouring more water. So and I just ran water over it, just very little water over it, and it will easily take off the juice from it. Yeah, so that is what I did repeatedly for like 3 times, and I was done. Now you see how clean it is. That is to show you that it is not having juice. If it has juice on it, then it will not be very clean. Look at it. Look at it, very clean. Clean and clear, okay? So I was done with that. Now it is time to um, sieve this so that the remaining chaff can be taken off. You see how thick it is? Very thick. It is very thick, I'm telling you. When I brought out the one I used for stew, it was, oh my God. You would see it. I would still upload a video of the banga stew I made from this extract. So this is the remaining chaff. Everything is completely off right now. And I left it to still sit for some time before transferring it to my storing container. You see how smooth, how beautiful, how, tantalizing is looking. Okay, so like I said, I made banga rice, banga jollof. So that one I removed was for the banga jollof rice. And I'm taking out the one I used for stew. I stored it in the freezer until I was ready to make the stew. In this time of tomato scarcity, this is worth trying. And believe me, you and your family would love it. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.